Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, here we are at the old Hysteria City Studios, working out some video stuff for you guys on YouTube, and letting you know what's going on. Well, working on the haunted houses, of course, always doing that right up until the point we open. Hey, look, that's me right here. Yeah, so today anyways, we're going to roll and see if we can find some cedar fencing that I found on Craigslist. I'm not sure exactly where it's at, but I'm going to see if I can find it and pick it up today and then use it on the new and improved Clown Asylum.
Where are we going, Scott?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to HysteriaCity.com. We're on the road right now in search of treasure for the haunted house. And we got some great people helping us out. We got Sam and his son today helping us. Tommy, that's right, he's a great sax player, ladies. If you'd like to get a hold of Tommy, just hit me up. I'll give you his number. Anyways, we're picking up some fencing. We hope it's still there when we get there. The lady called me, said people were interested. So we're in a hurry. Sam came out, went through the daunting effort of hooking up this old trailer to this old truck. And we did it, and we're on the road, and hopefully we make it alive. So stay tuned right here as we go in search of lost treasure. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we struck pay dirt right here. We got a bunch of new fence panels, and those folks behind us, right back there somewhere. Yes, right there. Thank you very much for doing this fabulous thing for us here at Hysteria City. New fence for the Clown Asylum. What I'm going to show you right now is some testimonials. What we're doing is testing over at the haunted houses. We're bringing people through as we're getting closer to completion in the one section, House of the Undertaker and Hotel Hysteria, and running people through to see what their reactions are and if they have any comments and suggestions, so that way we can improve before we actually open and make sure that it's really cool and people are seeing what we're seeing and vice versa. So anyways, check us out right here, testing at Hysteria City. Alright, so I've got my victims. We've taken them through the haunted house. They're standing here in front of the time machine that I'm working on. It's our newest haunt here at Hysteria City. And we're going to go in and see what they think about the haunted houses. Alright, so go ahead and tell us your name. What's your name?
Debbie.
We got Debbie and we got
Doug.
We got Debbie and Doug, and they're here visiting, and they're from around the local area, but I took them through the haunted houses. Guys, what do you think about the haunt?
I have a giant grin on my face. It was great. Hysteria City is great. It is truly scary. There's some super good effects. It's one of the best haunts I've ever seen. And the cemetery, I don't want to be buried there.
What about you, ma'am? What do you think?
I loved it. It was really scary. It was more than I expected.
No, I thought it was great, to be honest with you. I loved everything.
All right, well that's good. That's kind of what I'm hoping for, that we put in everything that you could think of into there.
You did. You truly did.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys for coming out. Check us out on YouTube at Haunt Guy channel, HAUNTGUY.
Be there, be square.
All right, so we're back here at Hysteria City in the warehouse, and we have dropped off the trailer. Today we had a haunt helper. You might recognize him from a little bit earlier in the video, but he just went through two of the haunted houses, House of the Undertaker and Hotel Hysteria. Sir, what do you think about those haunted houses?
Bring a diaper.
Did you get scared in there?
Yeah.
He got really scared in there, and I wish I had the camera on him because he was jumping around pretty good. All right, well, anyways, another satisfied customer right here at Hysteria City, and I'd like to say thank you to Sam, who's behind me right there, and his son, who went out and helped us get gold. We got some more of that old rotted fence that looks so cool in our haunted houses.
Yeah.
It's going to surround the Clown Asylum, and thanks to these guys, we were able to do it. So rock on, and happy haunting from
Peace out.
Hysteria City.
Peace out. Peace out.
Alright, so here we are in the crypt, right here in the cemetery as you walk through the queue line to get in to the various haunts. But in this section, this is going into the Undertaker house and using the queue from Edcon over there, which I like. We're doing Put Your Face in the Casket right here behind me. And I got it kind of roughed out, but we're going to do a lot of monster mud. I'm doing a body in there that's going to look just sick. Instead of like dressed like formally, it's going to just look like a rotted corpse. I like rot. And so we'll make it look like a rotted corpse. You put your head in. And actually I'm going to make this one even a little cooler. You're going to be able to put your arm through one section, so that way you could have somebody in the picture like you're grabbing them, or you can be given like those cool gang signs. Whoa, no gang signs, but you know, peace signs, peace, love, all that kind of stuff. But to make it a little more interactive, you can hold flowers. We're going to have various little things you can hold in here to be kind of a cool corpse right here at Hysteria City. So if you like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up, because we're trying to make it a little different. I've also got some other things in here. Oh yeah, we got the Wolfman back here you're going to be able to get your picture with, and various other creature type of entities here in this crypt where you can pose and get your picture as you're waiting in line. Yeah, so we want to make a few of those interactive spots. On the other side, we've got pirates going in, because Dr. Slaughter was amused with pirates, and so he often collected things that had to do with pirates. And so what we're doing is giving him a space out in front of the hotel where he had put some of those cool pirate things, and you're going to be able to take your picture within the pirate pieces.
Arr, matey, it'll be to Davy Jones' locker with a lot of you.
I don't know if you can see it from way back here, but man, that thing's going to look cool looking into the crypt there as you are in the queue line, as people are putting their face through the hole that's not there yet. But it'll be there soon, and you'll be able to put your mug right in there and be a celebrity corpse. Cool. Is there anybody in here? I can hear you walking around here. There's definitely somebody or something in here. They're messing with me a little bit. Who's in here? Crap. Alright, it's a little bit quieter in here. I don't know if you can hear that. There's a sound coming from the hotel. It's very quiet in here right now. But I'm definitely hearing some sounds. Is there anybody in here? Did you guys hear that? If you heard that, please look. Did you hear that? There's something in here. Just turned on the power. I'm gonna go over here and see if I can find out what the heck that sound is. Is there anybody in here? I had the doors open earlier today while we were moving that fence in. I've had this problem before where people kind of sneak in. So I was saying, I had the door open, I was moving fence around, trying to get some new stuff, as you guys know. And it's happened before where we've had vagrants come in here, and I think maybe it's pretty easy to hide in here now, so I'm going to hang out for a while and just see if I hear anything else. This place is starting to give me the creeps. I don't know, man. That was the weirdest thing ever. I had the door open today. I was out moving fence around.